Good morning to everyone. I'm Lai Hong. I will going to introduce about Fox. Fox Motor Company, commonly known as Fox, is an American multinational automobiles manufacturer headquartered in Dearborn, Michigan, United States. It was founded by Henry Fox and incorporated on 60 June 1903. The company sells automobiles and commercial vehicles under the Fox brand and luxury car under its Lincoln luxury brand. Fox is the second largest US-based automaker and the fifth largest in the world beside Toyota, Volkswagen, Hyundai, and General Motors based on 2015 vehicle production. Now, James D. Ferrer is President and Chief Executive Officer Fox Motor Company.
For the role and governing factors in firm performance who are engaged and responsible in process, the first is customers, the fourth top priority stakeholders, the second is employees, the third is investors, and the fourth is the communities is the fourth least priority stakeholders. For the first is the customers. The fourth top priority stakeholder is the customers. The interests of the stakeholder group are high quality products and service, especially after sales service. Customers are significant stakeholders because they directly determine the community revenues. For the second one is the employees. The fourth considers its employees as second level priority stakeholders. This stakeholders group is interested in career development, high wage and equal treatment and opportunity. Employees are significant stakeholders because they influence the production and service capacity of the business. The third is investors. Ford Motor Company's investors are interested in maximum profit and business stability. These stakeholders are significant because they affect the firm capitals to address the interests of the stakeholder groups. Ford implemented the One Ford plan in 2008 under former CEO Alan Mulally leaderships to achieve consistency and synergy in the global organization.
Next, where does it happen? Ford Motor Company had a market at Europe, East and South Asia, South Korea, South and West Asia, South America, and Africa. It showed that Ford Motor Company had a market around the globe. Next, how the company identified the solution. Ford Motor Company used SWOT analysis to identify the solution and to maintain its competitiveness in the market. First, strength. Ford has a strong brand name backed by more than 100 years of legacy. Second, weakness. Situation in Ford, which the existing capabilities and the resources the company hold are weak or not sufficient compared to the other organizations in the market. Third is opportunity. Grow in electric car sales, especially in EU and United States that present in environment and will help the organization in achievement its goal. 4. 3. The, all the environment facts are considered as a threat to an organization that could affect the efficiency and effectiveness of the organization. For example, COVID-19 and strong competition from other companies like Honda and Toyota affect the sale of the car.
Okay, my name is Musafri bin Abdurrahman. My number matrix is B0621100293. So I want to tell about planning for company. Firstly, Planning is the function of the management that involves setting objective and determining a course of action for achieving this objective. So, I will tell how planning Ford Company. Edsel, son of Henry Ford, has made plans to introduce a vehicle and done successful advertising. Edsel had kept the vehicle secret before the death to be shown to the public. This caused his view aroused the interest of the general public, and gradually the caught a glimpse of the shadow of vehicle as well as the fuzzy decoration of the hoods as the campaign. Anyone in contact with Edsel has vowed to keep it a secret, vowing not to say anything about what it cost a revolutionary new car. However, the Ford Edsel was not bought because it was an ugly or unsightly car. So, the fall of the Ford Edsel happened before anyone saw the vehicle. Next, I want to tell about leading. Leading involves the social and informal sources of influence that you use to inspire action taken by others. While many companies have mentoring programs, Ford takes a different approach than most, said Gail Halsey, CLO and Director of Learning and Organizational Development at Ford headquarters, rather than the traditional model, whereby again experts guide the next generation of employees as they find their footing. Ford views mentoring as a two-way opportunity. Reverse mentoring can be a very powerful learning experience, Halsey said. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Faris Mejazi from Btmi 1/1. My number metric is B0621100081. I will discuss the third and fourth of the four-function management, which is organizing and control functions. Organizing is the process of arranging resources to carry out the organization plans. Manager will need to identify different roles and ensure that the right amount of employee to carry out plan. Manager also need to delegate authority, assign work and provide direction so that team of sales can work towards higher sales number without having barrier in their way. Ford Motors Company had problem with the limitation matrix structure. It's always it cost, which is expensive given the complex nature of reporting requirement. Ford Motors Company has stuck with the structure for a long time. The founder of the company had thought many modifications have been made to address the problem of high maintenance costs. For the conclusion that Ford Motors Company had used matrix organizational structure that enables it to easily coordinate, operationalize its waste activities and organizing their company. The company has a vertical management structure from the chairperson, the president, to the executive vice president, then followed by a horizontal model consisting of departmental head, no vice president. Next is controlling. Controlling is the process of measuring progress against goals and objectives and correcting deviation if the results are not as expected. To ensure all of the functions are working toward the success of a company, managers should consistently monitor employee performance, quality of work, and the efficiency and reliability of complete projects. They are the management tools that have been used by Ford Company. First, strategic plan for improving quality, reducing costs, and accelerating the restoring of our global business. Second, emotional intelligence training, a set of practical knowledge and skills that help individuals to become fluent in understanding the language of emotions. Third, employee engagement survey analysis. It is designed to measure and assess how motivate and engage employees to perform their best in work and to measure employee engagement across an organization workforce through a series of questions.
My name is Megat Faiz Hafizuddin bin Megat Syam. Number metric B0621100047. I will tell about the conclusion. Ford Motor Company is successful American multinational automobile manufacturer. These are some competitive advantages to make Ford successful, such as technological innovation, product range, human resource management, production and distribution capabilities, brand, image and marketing, global presence, and supply chain management. Some management tools also used to maintaining business performance, like strategic plans, emotional intelligence training, and employee engagement survey analysis to make maintaining the business performance. In this age of sophistication, every company is rushing to manufacture smart, cutting-edge, high-quality items that can be mass-produced in a short amount of time. This has become one of the problems that all business must address in order to remain competitive. Last but not least, Ford Motor Company is successful company. That's all from us. Thank you.